Most service business landing pages are not actually built to convert traffic from Google Ads, and most of them actually have the same problem. They're built like websites, not conversion systems. And that one mistake is costing these businesses a massive amount of leads every single month. I'm gonna break down real Google Ads landing pages for service businesses, show you what's actually working, what's hurting conversions, and why some of these pages perform way much better than others, even with the same amount of traffic. So for those of you that are new to my channel, my name is Jordan. As you can see here, me and my team, we've managed over $18.5 million in ad spend. We've generated well over 63,000 phone calls for service business owners nationwide and even some outside of the country. And we're going to start taking a look at companies' landing pages or where they're sending their actual traffic to. So let's go ahead and take a look at what that looks like. And we're taking a look at some of the ads here. I clicked on the ad and here's what's showing up. Now, this specific company is running ads traffic to a full-on website. However, it's a lot of text. This is what you call the top folds of a landing page, which is exactly what the visitor first sees when they click on the page or when the page loads. Because if they don't like what they see right when they click, they're just gonna click off of your web page. They have an offer here for $49 furnace tune-up, where the headline, the offer doesn't really align. I clicked for HVAC and I got a lot. So we have a call to action, phone number here, call us. We have a lot of text here, but at least they're broken up. And it seems like this page specifically just talks about furnace, right? I didn't search up furnace, I searched up AC repair. And so if I searched up AC repair, which is here, clicked on the ad, then I should be taken to an AC repair landing page. It should only talk about AC repairs, not about furnaces. So we really want the page to align with what the searcher essentially searched up. The great news about this page is that they do have great branding, and that's something that I really like. So let's take a look at the next landing page here. Now this landing page looks a little bit more cleaner. As you can see, it's more, the top fold of the landing page is more straightforward. We have a logo, we have a phone number, we have the reviews, we have a headline here, honest HVAC service that you can actually trust. Now, a couple things that we can improve. We have a phone number. I would like the phone number to stand out a little bit more with a clearer call to action. So call us for a free estimate, something along the lines, a little bit of text here that's going to remind me why I should call. So let's go ahead and scroll down here. We have reviews. Right below that, we have one photo of the truck, and we have a reward or an award. That's really good. And then we finally have technicians working on site. As you can see, there's no links that you can press that it's going to take me off of this page compared to this web page. There's a lot more links here compared to this one. It's more straightforward. It's going to get me to basically one thing on this page, which is to call to get a free estimate. So that's good. So out of these two, they're pretty decent. I mean, this is a good branded web page. I'd give it like I'm gonna give this one probably a 4.5. This one is a little bit better. I probably give this landing page a 6.5. Now, this one here is another HVAC company that are running ads. And so believe it or not, but business owners are running ads and sending traffic to a page that looks something like this. As a homeowner and a customer, potential customer myself, if I was to call a company to come to my parents' house to work inside the house, I would ask myself, do I trust this person or this company to go to my parents' house, enter the home, and do the work there? If we're looking at this page alone, it does not meet those expectations because number one, there's no photos, there's no faces, there's no branding. I don't know who's coming to my house here. I don't know anything about this company really besides just a form that wants my information. So if we compare this landing page to the first two pages that we looked at, I'm definitely not calling this company because I don't know what they look like, who they are. There's no offers. I was gonna say no phone number, but it was right up here, very tiny, right up there. Can't even see it, right? I would give it a 0 out of 10. So lots of improvements to be made here. And I wanted to show you guys different types of landing pages. And these are real pages that business owners are sending traffic to, and they're wasting a lot of money. So how can we make a landing page as good as possible so that way we can see the highest ROI on our ad spend? For this here, this is the top fold of the page here. It's just too much. The top fold needs to be much more clear and straightforward. It should really only be about one section. So this is a section, this area here is a section, and then they're adding like a whole second section here, that's section number 2, and then the third section of frequently asked questions here. I should not be able to see 3 different sections and 3 different things in the top fold. It should be very focused on one thing. So we need to make this top fold, this section number 1, take up more space so that we can focus more on the AC repair done right, fast, honest, and guaranteed. And then we have great bullet points here. They're licensed. Like I said, everybody's going to be licensed. It really doesn't matter. 25 years serving LA and Orange County. I like that. I like that this person has 25 years of experience, or 25 years, they're an established company in my area. 24/7 emergency service, so if I'm calling after hours, I know that they're available. They have a lifetime guarantee for their parts and labor. That's amazing. That is a good incentive and offer for why I should call this company. Ask about current discounts. And then we have a form here. This top fold here is really, really good. The rest of the page, just not really good at all. This landing page was on the right track with this top fold or the first section here, but everything else is, you know, más o menos, so it's okay to be honest. No, I'm gonna give it a 6 out of 10 now, but potential to be a 9 out of 10. Really strong potential there. So let's go over to roofing companies. Let's take a look at some good landing pages here. This is a pretty good example of a strong landing page. Right away, we can see photos. I love to see photos as a homeowner myself, as a potential customer. I want to see that you guys are a real established company. We have their branding, the technicians working on the actual roof, their homes. Looks like a neighborhood that would be nearby. Expert roofing services, repair and replacement. I would like to maybe see expert roofing services, repair, replacements in what area? What areas do you guys service? If it says that you service my area specifically, then I'm gonna be like, oh, you guys are local. I'm much more likely to work with you. From roof repairs to complete replacement, license, insured, and committed to protecting your home. The headline could be improved. It's just not enough incentives and offers for why I should call. We have a call to action or incentive up here, which is free inspection. I would like for it to kind of stand out a little bit more. It's actually kind of hard to read. It's like bright yellow, and the phone number here is small. I would also like to see this take up more space. Like, don't be scared to have this first section here take up more space on the top fold. My eyes and my focus should be this area, and that should be enough for me to want to call this business. So we're scrolling down here. They have great photos, good videos. That's great that they added videos here. That's going to add with credibility. And then they have reviews. Perfect. And then areas we service, the 213 area, ready to protect your home. This is great. This is a pretty solid landing page, couple improvements, and I think this could be a good 9 to 10 out of 10 landing page. I'm gonna give this one a 7 out of 10. Solid 7 out of 10. I feel like a couple things that could be improved, but overall, the landing page idea and concept is there. I just think the layout could be improved. Now, the second page here is more of a website, as you can see, and the phone number up here, there's a logo here. I'm having to look for things. If you're going to a page, everything should already stand out. The call to action, your phone number should be visible. The headline needs to be easily seen. What you want the visitor to see should be easily found, not me having to search for it. We have an email, get quote, and a lot of links. This is an example of just a web page. If I was to work with this company, I would want to click on the homepage. I want to learn more about them. Oh, look, they offer $1,000. Great. They're top 2%. So send it to a high converting landing page that gives them everything that they need to know up front without obviously giving the price up front. And the goal is to get the visitor to call you directly or give you their information. I'm going to give the landing page, that the first page that we looked at, obviously a 1 out of 10. But if we go on the home page, like I would rather have sent it to here because they have really, really good credibility on the home page. I'm gonna give it a 7 out of 10. And even the website, I believe, could be improved, but I'm gonna give it a 7 out of 10 because of the credibility here. There's chances are I would probably call this company. The last landing pages I want to look at here is for number one is for the plumbing companies. And so as you can see here, plumbing company, great branding. So when you're looking at your own landing page, ask yourself, can people trust me? Would I trust this company to enter my parents' home? Does it pass that question? If we go on this homepage, or if we go on this high converting landing page, very clearly the logo, good size, phone number is there, schedule online, very simple to see. We have a video which builds the branding credibility of the company working on site, the actual technician, an actual person entering a homeowner's house. They also have the video of the customer, which is great, video customer. And you can do this with your family member, right? Or whatever, just create a video, have a day where you create a video and just have your technician, look like they're talking to an actual customer. Show off your branding, show up your trucks, your vans, right? Your uniforms, show your branding, show that you guys are credible. So there's photos here, areas that they service, great team photo. Here's why we should trust them, because they're trusted by other big companies. And this is great. Great photos, team photo here, working on site. This is amazing. A great logo, great branding overall, have videos, photos, coupons. This is amazing. This is really good. I'm gonna give this landing page a solid 9.5 out of 10, just because everything that we need to know is there. They have the offer, which we can see right away, $49 clog drain clean out. They have the phone number, what areas they service, amazing branding, I could see right away. And then they have really good ratings here from what it looks like. I give it 9.5 out of 10. This is a solid landing page. So if you want me and my team to build out your system, manage it for you, we have $18 million worth of data. We literally take what's already working for our clients, plug into your business, and you start seeing phone calls come in within the first week. Then book a call with me and my team. The link is going to be in the description. You want to learn it in-house, learn it yourself, then go through my coaching program. I have that where we literally walk business owners through setting it up, managing it, and teaching you everything that you need to know to generate your own leads without having to rely on any third-party vendors. So if that interests you at all, both of those links are going to be in the description. Now, if this video was helpful whatsoever to you, drop a thumbs up on this video because it's going to help my channel out so much on the YouTube algorithm. And you have questions about landing page or Google Ads in general, and drop it in the comment section below because I reply to everyone. And then make sure you subscribe to the channel if you want to learn more Google ad hacks on growing your business.